Alrighty, back outside, and things have actually kind of calmed down a little bit. There's still flashes of lightning going on. The wind picked up pretty good, and a lot of the lightning was actually quite a bit loud. But yeah, like I said, the ooh, caught it. Just barely, but I caught it. Don't I feel so proud of myself? But the wind picked up pretty good, and it doesn't look like it has done a whole lot of damage, but I'm not really 100% sure if this is another one of those calms before the storm, or if maybe it just hit here briefly and then it's deciding to head to another state. Gonna try and go all around as much as I can, hopefully get some might have gotten that one, I don't know. They're just all over the place now. Not much going on down that way, but we got it here, we got it here. And again, it's really hard to say if this is going to hang around and do some more serious damage, or if it's going to ooh, that was a little one. I want a big one. Yeah, I know, sounds like a personal problem. Anyway. I don't think I've ever seen a lightning bolt that small before. That one looked really, really small. Again, it's hard to say if this is gonna if it's gonna hit here a little bit more, or if it's going to, you know, scooch on down to somewhere else. Luckily, though, seems like every time something flashes, I'm moving back and forth, It's like, come on, give me something good. And it's like, oh, well, gotta move back over here. It just doesn't want to stay in one spot. It just wants to move all over the place. If it was slug-like, it'd be easier to catch. But I don't know, it seems to be kind of calm right now, but there's still plenty of flashing going on. Oh, that was nice. Okay, you heard that, right? Sound like a cow. Or a few cows. I couldn't tell you where they're at, honestly. I don't have a clue. I mean, I know that somewhere down that way where the big car wash is, which is about 3 or 4 blocks down that way. There's a big field out behind the car wash that has a bunch of cows in it, and they stay out there rain or shine. A lot of times when a storm ends, you just kind of sit there and just ask yourself, I mean, even though you're still seeing, flashes of white light and everything like that, you do still kind of sit there and just ask yourself, it's like, is it over with? And some people call that the calm before the storm, and I say, yeah, that was a calm. That was a calm. I hate to see what it's going to be when the storm hits. But ooh, that was a nice shot. Almost missed it because I heard a noise over to the side, but of course I probably would have watched it later and probably would have kicked myself going, I can't believe I missed that awesome shot. But I don't know. If a blackout happens, that's really gonna suck. Remember the last blackout we had here? It lasted less than a minute, which was weird. I honestly thought for a second that the fuse box blew out. Then it just turns out like, nope. Citywide blackout. I was like, crap. Like I said, it lasted barely a minute and then everything just came right back on. Most blackouts don't even last that long, Ooh, got that one. It's like I'm playing lightning bingo or something. But I gotta stop these smart aleck comments. They're gonna get me in a lot of trouble. But oh wow. But with all this really going on, it scares me. I won't be honest. I won't be lying to you. I won't be honest. Sure. Yeah, make me governor. I won't be honest with you. But when blackouts usually hit here, especially really late at night, you never know when the power's going to come back on. And I can remember one time we had a blackout here, and of course naturally, we're all thinking, oh well, it'll probably just last a few hours, and got up the next day and still no power. It's like, wow. Of course, I think I was living outside of town at the time with my buddy Tyler, so it's kind of hard to reach stuff outside of town. In town, they can get it taken care of like that. Outside of town, not that easy. Well, I'm probably going to wrap this bad boy up. To my beautiful wife, Sarah, again, I hope you're safe. I hope you're okay. And I'm going to see you home real soon. To everybody else out there, keep watching for I don't know what. Stay strong. And as always, rock on.